Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to fake Facebook verification code not received on Facebook. So if you're trying to log in or maybe sign up with your account but you don't get the SMS code, I'll show you to fix this issue. So first you have to simply go to your Facebook settings. For that you have to simply go to the settings of your mobile phone. Then you have to go to the app management or maybe the app list where you can find all the apps. Once you get there, you have to search for the Facebook. You can either search on the search bar or you can just simply scroll and find the Facebook. Once you get it, you have to go to its permission and there you have to allow it all the permissions that are available there. First, you have to allow it the camera, then you have to allow the calendar, call logs, and one by one, the options available there, you have to allow all of them because if you have not allowed any of these options then this could be the issue behind the thing we are trying to solve. For that you have to allow it everything. Once you do so, then there are chances the issue will be fixed. Once you're done allowing the permissions, you have to get back and then in the search bar you have to search for messages. This is the app that is in your mobile phone where you get the SMS. So again in the permissions you have to allow it everything because if you have not allowed it anything then there could be issue that you're not receiving SMS. So it is compulsory that you allow it everything. Once you're done, you just have to simply get back, open a Facebook, and then try to log in, and this time the issue will be resolved. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates, and thank you for watching the video.